What is a packing party? An occasion to invite your family and friends to come over and help you lovingly bubble wrap your items and pack them into moving boxes. Want to see how we turn this event into a fun, festive, unforgettable occasion? Keep watching. The theme for this packing party is taping and tacos. The homeowner came up with this idea and contacted us at Designs by Storm to bring her vision to life. So my team provided decorations, games with prizes including party favors, as well as DJ and party hosting services. This was a 2-day weekend event with lots of moving parts, as she was also having a massive estate sale at the time. When you sell your house, you will have a deadline of when you need to be packed and out of the house. But rather than being overwhelmed with everything that needs to be done, call for help. Use this as an opportunity to say farewell to your friends and neighbors, all while getting packed at the same time. Let's talk decorations. Our homeowner wanted it to look festive, but we didn't want to overdo it. After all, she is moving and didn't want to have to pack and clean up decorations. So we kept it simple by using the serving pieces as the decor. I found a festive backdrop on Amazon to use behind the tequila tasting and margarita station. Bring in some colorful margarita glasses and a coordinating table runner, and that's all you need. For the taco bar, I found these cute taco-themed plates on Amazon, and we used these pre-printed topping cards as labels for all the fixins. A taco bar is the perfect way to feed your guests, since the only thing you have to cook are the meats. You can serve a variety of taco flavors: beef, chicken, vegan, and fish tacos, and your guests can serve themselves. Easy peasy, lime squeezy. Don't you want some tacos now? Okay, let's get back to our decorations. Now here's something that made a big impact on our decor. We made this long balloon garland for the staircase. It created a beautiful and colorful focal point for the center of the home and made the perfect backdrop for taking pictures. Now I want to show you my DIY party favor display. Now you guys may have seen me use toys in my decor before, but we're going to transform these two pieces into something more fitting for our theme. I found this little fire truck at the Goodwill, and this appears to be some sort of a cookie tin or something that used to hold candy or chocolate. Can you guys guess what these will become? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Well, if you guessed a U-Haul moving truck, you are correct. I removed the fire truck's ladder and glued that little tin box to the back of the truck, painted the whole truck white. Then I printed this U-Haul label from the internet and glued it to the back of the truck. This whole little DIY only cost me about $2.18. These little 3x3 size moving boxes are from Amazon. We filled them with candy as thank you gifts for all the party guests. This little DIY was delivered to you by Designs by Storm. Now let's push on out. If you're getting some fun ideas from this video, press the thumbs up button and leave a comment below. And if you haven't subscribed, come on, move it. What are you waiting for? Finally, we have games, prizes, and activities. Even though your friends have volunteered to work, it can't be all work and no play, right? That's no fun. So we came up with a few activities to incentivize the workers and keep the party flowing. First of all, the homeowner provides all the supplies needed for packing, like boxes in different sizes, packing tape, bubble wrap, markers, and labels, and make sure there is enough in each room. As guests arrive, they are assigned to work with a packing partner. After all, it's more fun and productive to pack with a buddy. Every time a box was packed, we asked them to write a note to the homeowner sharing a farewell message or a special memory they shared in that house with her. This will be so touching for the homeowner when she unpacks her boxes in her new home. Every 30 minutes, I would stop the music and ring the party bell. That meant everybody needed to gather to the stairs. It was time for a giveaway. If I placed the sombrero on your head, you had to show us your best dance moves. All participants would receive a small prize. We also played Name That Tune and a bit of karaoke. Here are a couple of ideas for prizes. I found this mini shot glass at the Dollar Tree that says salt, tequila, lime, repeat. I wrapped it in a gift bag with a salt shaker, a mini bottle of tequila, and some lime juice. As you can imagine, I had to have a bag full of goodies to give away prizes every 30 minutes for 2 days. So I bought lots of fun items that fit the theme, such as taco socks, bottles of hot sauce, hot tamales candies. And with every box they packed, their name went into a hat for a grand prize drawing. On both days, I gave away that grand prize to the person who packed the most boxes. Look at all this cute stuff I found. This is how I packaged the grand prize. I decorated this little box to make it look like a suitcase that had been traveling. Then I filled the case with all these spa-like items for the hardest working packer. They really appreciated receiving all these practical gifts. For dessert, let them eat cake. The homeowner purchased a sheet cake with this encouraging message. And I'll add, thanks for using Designs by Storm for your party. Congratulations on selling your house to focus on the most important work in the world in the best life ever. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to press the thumbs up and leave a comment below. Press these links on the sides to watch more of my videos right now. I'm Steph Storm, and you'll see me next time. Buenas noches!